Smart water bottles are the newest trend in water bottles. These bottles have a smart chip that will keep track of how much water you drink, and even remind you to drink more if you haven't had enough for the day. They also can tell when the bottle is running low on water and send notifications to your phone. Here are some reviews about our favorite smart water bottles out there today. In this video, we will cover the best 5 smart water bottles. Our select all products depends on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 1. HidrateSpark Steel Smart Water Bottle. This water bottle is the perfect solution for staying hydrated. The HidrateSpark Steel Smart Water Bottle features a smart sensor that glows to remind you when it's time to drink and tracks your water intake by syncing via Bluetooth to the free HidrateSpark app. It holds up to 25 ounces of cold beverages and keeps drinks cold up to 24 hours. The BPA-free, vacuum-insulated stainless steel bottle prevents sweating so you can take it with you wherever life takes you. With an LED smart sensor. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 2. TLINNA Smart Sports Water Bottle with LED Temperature Display. TLINNA Smart Sports Water Bottle with LED Temperature Display is a perfect combination of sports and fashion. It has an elegant design, which can be used as a gift for your friends or family. The bottle features a temperature display function, which will show you the real-time temperature of the water. You can enjoy cold water when it's hot outside. What's more, this bottle has an ergonomic design that makes it easier to carry around. The soft silicone mouthpiece allows you to sip without any discomfort. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 3. Philips Water GoZero UV Self-Cleaning Smart Water Bottle. The Philips GoZero UV water bottle is the world's first self-cleaning smart bottle. Equipped with an integrated UVC LED technology that automatically disinfects your bottle and removes the odor, it keeps your drinking water clean and fresh for up to 2 weeks, or more. The UVC light activates every 2 hours to keep your bottle clean and odor-free. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 4. ICEWATER 3-in-1 Smart Water Bottle. The ICEWATER 3-in-1 Smart Water Bottle is the only water bottle that combines a smart water bottle with a portable wireless speaker. It features an advanced slow-breathing light technology to remind you to drink more water, stay hydrated and healthy. The unique design of this smart water bottle makes it easy for you to carry around anywhere you go. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 5. Simple Modern Insulated Water Bottle. The Summit Water Bottle is the perfect adventure companion. Vacuum insulated to keep your drink cold for hours, it's also leak-proof when the nozzle is in the closed position. The BPA-free Summit straw lid has a removable silicone straw with a wide opening for easy drinking and cleaning. Straw can be removed for cleaning. The Summit's durable construction includes double-walled stainless steel and a powder-coated finish that resists chips and cracks. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.